All right, let's see how quickly we can. Excellent connection, wonderful. Welcome to my stream. If you're looking to invest in real estate, analyze live multifamily deals, you're in the right place. My name is Gal Cohen. I'm a real estate investor and agent, and I specialize in North New Jersey real estate. I'm looking for deals with a good cap rate, solid cash flow, and value add opportunities. So let's take a look at what's on the market today. Let's see what we got, what we're working with. Start with multifamilies. See anything new? Where is this? One four bed and one two bed. Wow, that's solid. Low taxes. I'm not too familiar with this area though. Let's see what we're working with. If I open the map, see the map now. I guess what we'll need to do is look at rental. Let's find out the rental market in this town. A lot of bedrooms, and both aren't vacant. No, they didn't list the rents. They also doesn't look like the listing. Private driveway. Great. Oh, the finished basement has an extra bedroom and laundry. Nice. Okay. So that's probably part of the bedrooms. Wonder if it's an actual legal bedroom. I have to take a look at the tax records for that. Let's see. Six active, couple more leased. Four bedroom and a two bedroom. Okay, let's do the two bedroom first. Six. And we can, I guess we can open this up to the last year. Yeah, there's not too many. Which tells me that we're not, volume of rentals isn't that high. So two bedroom, okay with a house. Let's focus on the two family. 2,500, 2,100, 2,000 would be the lowest. I'd be comfortable with like 22, 23. Okay, so market rent, let's say 2,300. And there's a four bedroom. Four bedroom, we have to make sure it's on a house. So we'll go into, let's see, two family apartment, not co-op, not condo, not a house, and yes, multi-family. Let's see what we got. Zero. Okay. What if we up that to three? We had a couple threes, right? Yeah, six. So for 25 to 3, 325. Okay. Oh wow. Interesting. Two, three bed, two bath was only for 29. Okay. Well, I guess we can let's say 3,000. It's actually not that bad. Separate driveways. One of them has a basement. I don't know if there's any additional income. It looks fully renovated. Not fully renovated. Looks in decent condition. I hope that's not where they're saying there's a bedroom there. Bedroom. Oh, okay. Taxes are pretty low. 11,700. No, never mind. Yeah, so the total monthly income will be like 5,300. It's not bad for 600K asking. It's really not that bad in my opinion. Let's play this guy. All right, so now we're talking about. I wonder if I can do this. It's only a duplex. Nice. Two, and they're asking 600K. Current rent, we have no idea. They just didn't tell us. We should be able to figure it out. It could be family. It could be that they're not charging any rent. Um, we'll have to find out. Market rent. So yeah, I would say market. I'd be comfortable with like 5,300 per month. There's no other income as far as we can tell. Both have a driveway. I don't think it makes sense to. You're not going to need to rent that out. That should be included, in my opinion. Um, okay, the property taxes. We've got annualized at 11,700. So insurance, 2,000. Repairs and maintenance. So everything looks like it's in pretty good condition. Um, let's say 200, 100 per unit per month. And then utilities. Yeah, they weren't very clear on utility breakdown, huh? Hmm, that's funny of it. Maybe we can tell. Let's see their radiators. It says baseboard gas radiators. Okay, that's something to find out. Um, likely it's going to be, at the very least, water, which we could do like 100 per month. Do let's say 150 units. Okay. Um, yeah. So I mean, like in place, that's coming up with asking. That's not bad. Monthly cash flow almost $4,000. Annually 45 grand. Um, pretty good. That's a cap rate of seven, almost 8%. Um, hmm, interesting. Now, obviously, we'd have to find and confirm the actual rents, but yeah, this looks like a pretty good deal. Cool. Let me actually put the address here. So at the end of the day, I guess it comes down to the location. If you like this area. Now, one of the red flags I would say for this property specifically is the volume of rentals. Like when we looked at the comps, I had to go back a year to see, 6 matches for 3 bedrooms. So I guess that's one thing that would, be concerning. You might have vacancies might last longer, um, but yeah, uh, this that could be okay if you're looking for the right tenant. Okay, let's see what else we got. Wallington. Did we look at this Wallington yesterday? 317. Yeah, we did. Okay, good. Carlstadt two family. How many? Yeah, so I'm not even gonna. There's a two family for 750 in Carlstadt. Great. I like it. I like the area near Rutherford. It's great. Two bedrooms, three full baths for 750. I don't know. Yeah, two one bedrooms. Is that right? Large oversized garage, workshop, and second floor. Separate electric meter, wood-burning stove, one car garage, two family. Interesting. Okay. So it's a structure play. But I wonder if this is also, but this is a two family with a semi-commercial. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. I think 750 is too high. If we're legally talking about two one bedroom apartments in Carlstadt, I don't think it warrants 750. Um, Maybe 600. I mean, I guess it depends on the value you're going to get from this like auxiliary unit. Because this is ADU. This is a easy ADU play, accessory dwelling unit. If you can convert it, I guess another one bedroom apartment that can kind of justify the price. Um, if you can convert it into a legal small apartment, then you're, adding another unit on the property. It seems like utilities are already split. Um, should be enough parking for everybody, especially if you actually utilize that garage, or more, maybe convert it. I mean, let's see how busy the street is. Here, flood map. That's a good thing to look at. It says it's on flood zone. Good. Outside, wonderful. Yeah, but it doesn't look too busy. Interesting. That's the two structures. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, interesting. I think a regular calculation doesn't make sense here. This would be something where, well, I guess we can do three one bedrooms in Carlstadt, New Jersey. That kind of makes sense. Okay, let's do that then. Um, See if this, yeah, taxes are pretty low, 8,400. Um, let's see what the market says in terms of two gas meters. Let's say all the utilities are separate except for water, because that's how they made it seem. But could be decent. Carlsbad, and I think there would be much. One bedroom. Let's see. In the last year, how many did we have active and leased? 19. I would think there'd be more. Yeah. See what we have. What we're working with. So the cheapest one is 1,300, two family, and the most expensive one bedroom is 2,300. Now, what's it going to take to actually get to that? Let's see. Let's take a look, because it is a one bedroom. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, fully renovated. Okay, so new cabinets. They have stone. Nice. I like the backsplash. I wonder if it's paint or it's, no, it looks like stone. That's awesome. Okay, yeah. So I guess it's a generous one bedroom, fully renovated bathroom. Beautiful. And they have a space up. Wow. Okay, so it's way more than a one bedroom, and you get a parking. Yeah. I'm surprised they called this a one bedroom. It's huge. Let's see what 2,000 gets you. Yeah, this was leased. Okay. They have stone, but they're old cabinets. I guess. No, actually, the cabinets aren't that old. It's just oh, and there's washer and dryer in unit. Nice. Oh, looks good. Pretty good condition. Modern. Okay, that's not bad. So 2,000. How many days? That was 17 days on the market. That's pretty good. I think this would be kind of a target. Um, okay. And again, we didn't see any pictures of the inside. Who knows what it'll take to actually get that, uh, get each one of them up to it. And so what we'll do is we'll consider this. Let's say it's after you convert the garage into an accessory dwelling unit. So we'll do 2,000 for each, um, as market rent. Oh, you know what? Let's actually drop that to 1,800. I don't know. It's not it's a non-typical situation. Maybe it'll take a little bit longer, but I'm okay dropping it, especially because there's three units. Let's see what kind of, yeah, they can average out. Let's say I guess to 1,800 each. Okay. So we're talking about 54. Yeah, 5,400. Okay. Yeah. So it's only a little bit more. It's like $100 more. Interesting. I do like the area more. So Carlstadt I do like, and I know uh, as opposed to this one, the other one, 35 Union Street. Where are we talking about? 570 Washington Street, Carlstadt. Nice. So, so this is so yeah, it's expensive, um, and it's not a three family. Although we're running the analysis as if it was a three family, it's really not. Um, yeah. So whoops, 1,000. Yeah, this is probably a pass at 750. I mean, look, if so, taxes are lower, which is nice, right? We're talking about 8,400, 8,500, right? 100. And let's say everybody's yeah, insurance to no, so we'll have to make the insurance 3,000 because let's say there's three units. Uh, Repairs and maintenance, let's bump that up to 300 per unit because again, three units. And then utilities, we have no idea how they're broken up. Um, let's say 300 also. What was 2 liters? 15, 1, 2. Yeah, okay, so I mean, look, in place, it's probably going to be half that. The cap rate is the cap rate would be achieved if you bought it at asking, but it was already a full three-bedroom, three family. So uh, if we drop the projected rent, let's say just 18 times two instead of times three, right? 1,800 times two, 36. Let's see. Yeah, so with 36, let's say everything else more or less being equal, we can drop this by two, by 100. Yeah, we're at a 3% for a cap rate. Your monthly cash flow would be $2,000. For 750,000 listing price, that does not make sense. Again, if it was fully converted, we could talk maybe 6% depending on the final ask the negotiated price. but 750 for a legal two fam. It's tough. It's tough. Okay, let's see what else we got going on here. 52 three bedrooms in Woodland Park. Side by side. Woodland Park's a nice area. No pictures inside. Maybe just because maybe they still need the photographer to come. 3-3. Two full bathrooms. Okay. Okay. And are they vacant? We don't know if they're vacant. Potentially. Okay. Yeah, this looks like a cool one to search. They each have two bathrooms, which is great, and then non-garage spaces. Okay, 750. I like it. Picasso. Let's see. So we said Woodland Park, right? And each of them have three bedrooms and two full baths, which is great. Hmm. Three were active and leased. Interesting. I wonder if this is one of them actually. So we're at 80-84 Cedarhurst. Ooh, there's one that's 3,900. What would it take to make yours 3,900? 11 days. It's not a lot of time on the market. This one is 130, which is terrifying as a as a real estate investor. Um, Come and see first floor rental with finished ground floor basement. Yeah, so you got two, one car garage and backyard. Yeah, so it's like very big with the garage and I guess a basement also. Oh no, is that the actual unit? Let me see if they have a second. Oh yeah, they have a second kitchen. Okay, so 39 actually makes sense for this. So there's only a 33. Let's see. Let's see. Three bedrooms, shared use of the yard. Okay, so without the garage. Wow, that garage was worth quite a bit. But I guess it's the garage in the basement. Hmm, interesting. That was worth $600. And then why was this on the market for so long? We have pictures. It's not that bad. Hmm, interesting. It was okay. It was originally listed at 33, and then they leased it at 3,000. Okay. Fine. I guess 3,000 each. So 6K. Not bad. Now Woodland Park taxes. Let's see what we're talking about. 12,300. Insurance, two units. Let's say 1,000 each. Probably going to be less. Repairs and maintenance, 200. Utilities, 200. Did we get the full utility breakdown? The fact that they're side by side, they probably both have a basement, right? I like this. I like this one. So 750 duplex. Okay, let's say 200 for water. Yeah, so I mean, in place is a seven cap in a pretty good town. Um, Yeah. For this deal, you really have to make sure you have an inspection, see how much it's gonna get, it's gonna need to get up to like 3,000 in each unit. But as long as that works, yeah, monthly cash flow is almost 4,500, 4,400. It's pretty nice on 750. Um, Now this actually this property, as long as you're okay with the town, uh, it could be the move to actually live in one unit, rent the other one out. So because nobody's on top of you, it's a side by side neighbor situation. Um, let's see. There's no flood map for here. They didn't say that they're in a floodplain. Okay, and then there's gas heating. They didn't say anything about an oil tank. Yeah, this one looks great for somebody who's looking to, live in one unit, rent the other one out. As long as you're okay with Woodland Park, a pretty nice area. Um, Taxes are a little high, but what are you gonna do? It's Bergen County for you, right? Oh no, this is actually Passaic. Oh, interesting. Now let's take a look at the map then. Parcel map. Try to see the. Okay, doesn't look like too busy of a street. Not too far from the highway. Okay, cool. All right, let's see what else we got going on. I like when they have the pictures. Okay, at least we'll know which ones have pictures and which ones don't. Rington 670. These are all listed today. Another one in Lyndhurst, but 4.2. Jersey City for almost 800. Let's look at the location. I can't open the map. You guys can see it. It's okay. Survive. Can put it in post. Um, mm, yeah. First Wallington. 900K in Wallington. 3-family in Harrison. Ooh, with 11 total bedrooms. Now they're asking almost a million, but I like Harrison. It's a good area. Um, let's see. Let's see what kind of current rents Harrison charges. Let's see what's in place. Okay, there are 2 4 bedrooms and 1 3 bedrooms, which is excellent. 1 picture, not ideal. Um, 3 units, cash flow, fully rented. Huh. Oh, only $11,000 taxes. That's excellent for the bedrooms. Jeez. Let's see if there's any history on it. If there was other pictures or absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Yeah, this is the first time it's hitting the market. That's cool. Yeah, we'll need to find out what rentals are, but let's see what a 3 and a 4. How many bathrooms? Oh, each one of them though only has 1 bathroom. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Imagine a 4 bedroom, 1 bath. I mean, maybe it's common in that area. I know that generally they have a pretty good rental. It's a good city. Let's see what we got in Harrison. Yeah. Now we need 3 to 4. Let's see. Minimum 3, maximum 4, and then 1 1. Jeez. See if anything actually comes up. Hmm. See? Say Woodland Park. Just totally remove the bathroom requirements. Still nothing. Two bedrooms? Very important. I was explaining it to somebody, and then Google always does the best job. Harrison, Zillow. 50 rentals. Okay. I don't know. I wasn't finding it. Maybe it's in Hudson County. Maybe I have to use another MLS. See what we're working with here, though. Lofts. Nice. Studio. Why is it got to be so painful to come here? Okay. Um, let me let Zillow load. Zillow, you can finish loading. Cool. Okay. So if I click more, great. We need a 4 plus, right? And well, same property. It's not okay. 2,600 for a ooh yeah. Yikes. Yikes. 17 days ago. These are nearby. It's close to Newark, huh? Yeah. It's not the worst, but it does. I don't like that there's only one. And we can't see ones that are rented, right? 2,600. Yikes. Yikes. That's for a 4 bed. Yeah, I'm not even gonna do I'm not gonna run the numbers here. It doesn't make sense. Because if you do, 26, 26, let's say 25, I don't know, 24 for a 3 bedroom, even though the taxes are low, not enough meat, especially to justify this price. Now, maybe there's more data. Maybe the actual in-place rents are better than that. If they were, we could kind of run the analysis. Um, 1 bath, it's tough. Okay. I guess that really it's the location and that aspect. Let's see what else we got. Did I click this? Nice. What else? What else? What else? That Garfield, 915 Garfield's too high. Tenafly. Tenafly is a very expensive town. 1.1622. Hmm. Wow. So side by side in Tenafly, 1.1. This is a excellent school area. The schools in this town are fantastic. And the taxes you pay for them, right? It's you don't have to pay for the private school because the public schools are excellent, and that's why the taxes are high. Um, Also great, great place to live, etc. Restaurants, all the things. Um, so no internal, but I guess privacy. Okay, fair. 2 water meters, 2 gas, 2 electric. Nice. So it's very, very comfortable. This could be another one of these. You want to stop renting, and I guess for this, what we can do is, let's see if I can get a live mortgage number. Let's see. Okay, so you put down 20%. You put down 220, and it's going to be about 9K, including the taxes, which is nice. So 9K, and let's say you live in this unit and you rent this one out. Yeah, you're, I mean, I guess you subsidize it by a good amount. You subsidize it by a third, so 30%. Um, Price is just too high. I mean, even if you push this up, you're not going to get it to nine. So it's never going to cash flow. You get it to 4.5. That could make sense. Um, well, I mean, you can do two things, right? You can push the price down, um, or you could put more down. Your down payment instead of 20%, you can do 25, 30, 40%. Or you can get the rent up. But it's an excellent town. They each have oh nice. They each have garages too, and there's a patio. Yeah, this could be the move from somebody who's renting and paying a whole bunch in rent. You live in the city right now. You live in Manhattan, and you pay $6,000 currently for a two-bedroom. You can get a three-bedroom in an excellent town in Jersey um, for after you factor in the subsidized from one of the units for the same amount, and your building equity, and you have a lot more space. Interesting. This is cool. Yeah. No, this 73,000 gross income is great. Only problem is taxes are 17K. That's and the price is expensive. Interesting. Let's see what else we got. Actually, let me send this to somebody. Let's see. Share the link. If you're interested in the full reports of any of these, let me know. Or if there's a property in North Jersey, anywhere in Jersey, really, I can probably get a report for. Um, and then New York, I have a good guy in New York who can help with that success. Success. Uh, yeah, but if any properties look really interesting to you, send me a message either on Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube, wherever. Happy to send you the full thing. If you want to schedule some time to chat, we can go through it. If you have any specific questions, if you don't agree with one of my estimates, let me know. Interested to kind of get other people's experience. And all right, this guy, take care of that, and let's get back to searching. Ba, ba, ba. Ooh, Weehawken. Weehawken's nice. Palisades Avenue, $2 million. See what 2 million gets you in Weehawken. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love how there's lights in the crown molding. I wonder if there's a name for that. It's like a lit crown. Wow, not bad, not bad. Okay, some choices were made. Okay, cool spot, cool spot. How many? Interesting. Okay, cool. So there's one two-bedroom and one five-bedroom. Wow, very nice. Yeah, this is definitely for somebody living in Manhattan right now and looking. to move to somewhere very close to Manhattan. Yeah, that makes sense. Wow, and the views probably. Oh, I don't know. From the street, definitely. I don't know if you can get the views from the actual property, but yeah, sick way to park $2 million. Um, Taxes are 20K. It's not that bad. I mean, all things considered. Um, yeah, this wouldn't be a purchase for somebody looking to actually maximize uh, returns. This would be a lifestyle decision where you need 5 bedrooms, um, and you want to get a subsidized, subsidized, probably not mortgage. You'd probably buy this cash or put a hefty amount down, because a 30-year mortgage would be 15K per month. It's a lot. It's a lot. Less, 3,000, let's say, for the 2 bedroom. Let's say you can bump it up a little bit. Still, the numbers here, yeah, this would be a lifestyle decision where, I mean, it's a lovely place to live, I bet. Um, but not from a investor perspective. All right, let's see what else. That's back. Okay. So let's see. So we just did Weehawken. Okay, let's go to kind of the middle. Really interesting. I should really remove ones that are in attorney review because they're in attorney review, right? Let's do Bergen County. Okay. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. All over. Let me see the four families. How many four families you got? 24 four families. Okay. Okay. So the one in Harrison, I think we looked at that. I know we looked at one in Harrison. I don't think it was this one. Hmm. Let's see. 2 bedroom. These are different. It's a different beast. We really can't. Okay. 2,000. All right, let's run the numbers for this. Let's say you can get 2,000 each unit. It seems like all the utilities are separate, except for water. Um, Property information sheet, extra information sheet. Let's go. We got. What do you got? What do you got? Yeah, will be included. Oh, okay. Here we go. Rental income. First floor, owner occupied. Second floor, 1,900. Other first floor, 1,000. Okay. And then 950, 925. Wow, okay. So one of them is market, the other one's owner occupied. So market, let's say 1,900. Let's say you could get each one of them 1,900. That'll probably require some renovating, but let's say, yeah, I'm, I'm, I'm comfortable with that from an analysis perspective. Blah, da, 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 da. Let's go. Let's do a duplicate. It's probably a better way for me to do this, but nice. This is a fourplex. Do we really need this? No. No. Cool, cool, cool. We definitely need this guy. What are we? 1.2 asking. 1.2 asking. It's kind of high, but it is a three family, four family. Too many zeros. Okay. If I turn it money, can you? Yeah. Can you show me how long I am? Perfect. Okay, cool. Me too. Um, current. I'm not even gonna put that in. We care about market. If we can get 1900, let's say four times, which will again likely require some renovating, and then equals some. Da-da-da-da. Nice, nice. Right. Property taxes. How much are taxes there? Taxes are 15,000. That is cheap for a four family. Not too bad. 15,000. Okay, insurance. Let's say 4,000. I mean, it's probably gonna be around three something. Um, but I like to average like 1,000 per unit. Um, all right, repairs and maintenance. Because if you're gonna have to obviously renovate. Okay, well let's say 100 per. How are utilities broken up? Is that interesting documents anything? Maintenance, owner handles removal, water bills 1,200. Nice. Okay, so water is only 1,200 per year, and the electric and gas, sweet. Okay, so 1,200. That actually improves the numbers. See, I love when I get numbers because for utilities, yeah, see, I would have been two times more conservative than I had to be. Um, cool. So 25K. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not that good. I mean, again, I guess it's a factor of the price. 1.2 is kind of a lot for about 2,000 per unit a month. Uh, let's see where this deal will like rock. So right now they're saying 300 per unit, right? That's how we get to the 12. What if it was 250? What if we're saying each unit's actually worth 250 um, times the four, we're at a million, right? At a million, you're almost a seven cap. At a million, you're almost a seven cap, which is not bad, not too bad. Um, okay, cool. If you could pick it up, let's say you could come in 950 million. That is wrong. Yeah, you can pick it up at 950. You can push that a little bit, but yeah, you're still at seven. You're at seven. 900 would be kind of amazing, right? Yeah. If somebody comes in with 900, look, honestly, with a cash offer, uh, 1.2 for 1.2 to 9 is quite a big drop already. Um, but somewhere between those two numbers, um, cap rate can be decent. It looks like it's pretty hands off. Again, after you do some renovating to the units that are under market. Um, Seven cap is not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. So you can get good returns in New Jersey. Harrison's pretty good. Not too bad. Let's see what else we got. Berg, four family for just a little over $1 million. Oh, look at all this situation. You can do they're telling you can do FHA. Excellent. FHA is 3.5% down. Um, that's pretty cool. Oh, or maybe around 5% down for a multifamily. Sometimes, but a lot of options. A lot of options. Cool. Okay, two one bedroom, and then two three bedroom. Oh, that's sweet. Okay. All right. Excellent investment opportunity. Multifamily, 4 units, 3 legal units on the first floor, and 2 units with fully independent rooms. What does that mean? In two full independent rooms, totaling 4 units. Weird. A great option for buyers looking to finance. Yeah, I mean, one of the benefits of real estate is financing. You can leverage your money pretty well at great rates. Uh, you could buy a property with 3% down on a conventional mortgage. Granted, you'll have to pay PMI, but like um, cash on cash, you can do some really cool things. Uh, ooh, they're saying that there's some New York City views. Let's see what we're- It's interesting the two independent rooms. I guess it's great for roommates. Yeah, so I guess that you can manage it like with roommate situation. You could probably get a lot more per unit. Yeah, these look pretty old. Um, a lot of rust. And there should be four. There shouldn't be three. Hmm, beautiful. Yeah, it's a beautiful location. Plus parking. Parking is absolutely it's a premium in Gutenberg and kind of all those areas. Um, okay, so the small apartment is vacant. Two small apartments are one of them is vacant, one is 1,500. Let's say 1,500 a unit, and then we can use the real numbers for yeah. Let's use the real numbers for everything. Let's see in place. Um, so it's 3,000 plus 3,000, 6,000 plus 28, um, 88. Okay, okay. We're gonna duplicate you. The price they're asking. Ooh, and look at that. Look at this. This is nice. Originally, they were asking 1.15. Now they dropped it to 1.089. Cool. All right. So, um, it's not enough. Math, am I right? Okay, so this is actually current, which is dope. Let's say it's a lot. Yeah. So 8,800. And then zero it. Other income. I don't know if they're currently charging anything. I guess we're just doing it in place. Let's say that's their total gross. Taxes, 12,000, not bad. 11,872. Uh, oops. Okay. Insurance, there's 4 units, let's say 4,000. Repairs and maintenance, there's 4 units, let's say 400. Utilities. So we're not sure about where how utilities stack in this one, right? Includes a washing machine. I hope they don't pay for water if it includes a washing machine. Well, that 3 electric, 3 gas. Um, Okay, so let's say it's paying, owner pays for water only. And I hope, let's say there's another furnace, we'd have to run that down. But yeah, just water. Again, I like to do, yeah, it's really not that much. It's like 200 per unit. Um, yeah, sweet. So I mean, look, in place, we have to figure out, in place is almost an eight cap. It's mid sevens, seven. Yeah, that's not bad. It's not bad. And the fact that they just dropped the price helps, right? It really does help. If we can pick it up, let's say you make a solid offer. Yeah, $1 million, you're gonna get an eight cap. Um, it's not factoring in appreciation, obviously. Gutenberg, great town. Um, yeah, not a bad place to park. Uh, Good money for a four family. With a view like this, that's awesome. Um, I really like it. Yeah, and I mean, look, the numbers here actually are really not bad for in place. You could juice them. Um, if we were going to say that market is above 1,500 for a one bedroom, and you can make it really nice. You can renovate it. You can. Mm, yeah. So this is cool. This one's actually an eight cap with upside, with upside potential. In place is solid, and I need to send this to somebody. Friend who really likes the area, and I know he's been looking, and I want to make sure he sees this one. What can the ones be? So let's see. Try a different one. Let's need to look up the last one. Yeah. Okay. But let's see how much a mortgage would cost there. It's always a fun exercise. So to, almost break even, right? If you got 200K, 218,000, and the rate, hopefully the rate's going to be improved. Hopefully you can do better than 7.2. Um, but we're at 8.8, where your cash flow is 6.8. Yeah, that's the. This is what's killing you. The rate at 7%. It's tough. It's tough. Um, it doesn't make sense to buy a property, even if the property makes you 8%, when the bank gets on top of it, like on the top line number seven, it's tough. It's hard to make things work. Um, you gotta have put more down or buy it cash if you can buy it cash. So I guess instead of the analysis would be, oh, okay, I don't like the stock market. I don't like you have a physical spot. It's not like a company or a ticker in your Robinhood app. It's a location where, yeah, it does give you more risks. but it's there's a point on the map that's yours. And what's nice is super tax efficient. Instead of buying, this would be, so your down payment is 218,000, but you're actually buying a property worth, over $1 million, right? So that's awesome leverage. That you'd have to have $1 million in the stock market to equal the 218,000, let's say, with 20% down. And that'll grow obviously over time, in both value of the property. It's not going to be worth $1 million, probably in 5 years, probably 10 years. Um, and as long, if the rents keep appreciating the way they have been, um, then yeah, the mortgage gets locked, right? That's the most you'll ever pay, depending on the down payment and refinancing, etc. But it could really still make sense, even in this kind of market. I also, again, 18 days on the market, so not hasn't been on the market for that long, but they already had at least one nice cut, and if there's another one, you know, this could uh, this could be really, really, really nice. I'm sure it's gonna get snatched up now. They probably just reduced it today. Um, I'd love to go see it. Anybody wants to check this one out, let me know. We can go take a look at it. All right, let's see what else we got going on. I do want to make a coffee. Oh, should I do like a be right back? Yes, that's exactly what I want. Black Mirror episode 2. It's taking forever. It's forever. Relentless. Dude, just like, yeah, just do it. Coffee.
All right. Let's see what else we got going on.
So I guess, yeah, let's look at the cheapest for family. Franklin. I feel like I've seen this before, this one specifically. Maybe not. Franklin is just super far from where I am in Sussex with an oil tank. Oh, they don't even want to turn the utilities on. Yikes. But ideal for occupied and adjacent additional. Ooh, so you do get 1.7 acres with it. Wow. Okay. I guess let's look at the parcel because that's a lot of space. Um, Again, not too familiar with the location. Let's see how far it is from. I'm going to say civilization, but I just mean me. Is it the south of New Jersey? Okay, actually not bad. Right off of 23. It is far from me. Probably over an hour. You get a lot of space. So I'm saying there's two lots, huh? Oh, look at this. If we could find out if the oil tank's above ground or underground, that I feel like that would make a big difference for this one. Let's see if this one makes sense. Oh, we also have to take a look at the rental. But I feel like rents don't even need to be that high to justify a 629 asking price. And that's, I don't even know how we'll you factor in the value of the land. We probably can't do anything with it. But look, I'd love to sit on 1.8 acres. Um, if you could pick it up yeah, pick up a four family and then build something else there. That could be cool. Um, okay, I guess we can take a look at the prices for the town. I don't know if I'm gonna find anything. Let's see how many rentals. Like Franklin. There's a lot of Franklins. Um, okay, we got a new county, Sussex County. So the last year, at least on my MLS and NJMLS, which is mostly North Jersey, there's probably more information somewhere else. But only three matches. So it's like, yeah, I told you it's on my location. Multifamily, a three-bedroom, one bath for 2,400, 453 State Route. Is this the same? No, it's in Rutherford. Okay. And it's a three-bedroom. Hmm. So let's say 2,000 per. Um, yeah, let's say 2,000. Oh, and they're vacant. Awesome. So 2,000 per two-bedroom. So that's times three. And then see, it's tough because there was a two-bedroom for 1,600, and even if it was like not the best, only 13 days on the market. So yeah, we're just not working with complete information here. Um, what I would recommend is uh, if this is the spot, get to that, get 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 a real good understanding of what the rental market looks like in this town. But yeah, it's a bit over an hour for me. I don't know if I'd venture out unless somebody's like really interested. Um, yeah, let's say 1,500 for the one bedroom. we're assuming that you're going to do some renovations, stone countertops, bathrooms, kitchens, that kind of thing. Um, so not bad. Yeah, 7,500. Um, uh, it's vacant. So let's keep doing it. Let's say market rent, 7,500. Not bad. Okay, taxes. What are taxes like in Sussex? 17,000. Wow, higher than I thought. Oh, excuse me. Museum for- all right, okay. Yeah, so 17,000, pretty high. Oh, so I wonder if that includes the acre uh, that's attached to it. It should. I'll keep 4,000 for insurance. Um, yeah, let's do 400 for repairs, maintenance, utilities. Yeah, we don't even know what the utility situation looks like here. If they have documents, got documents for me. Hold harmless in the pink. Okay, so disclosure. I'm not going to review that now. Yeah, so there is a seller's disclosure. I don't know how much information you'll get from it. Um, I mean, obviously, if you're going to go take a look at the property, you should review every document that they provide. But for a quick and dirty analysis, kind of, you can. I think you can make some assumptions. So yeah, utilities. We have no idea here. Um, I guess what we can do is just mimic the maintenance, and then if one of them is low, hopefully the other one's high. Um, so at $1 million listing price, it's a yeah, but it's 629, which they dropped. Yeah, they just dropped it 50K. That's nice. 630. Okay, here we go. Yeah, nine cap. Nine cap. It's out of the way. It's not. It's definitely not North Jersey. I mean, I guess technically on a map it is, but when I think of North Jersey, I think of commuting distance to Manhattan. Wouldn't be that bad. I guess probably 2 hours to Manhattan. I would find out if there's a train. Hmm, something cool. Let's take a look at like public transportation into this area. Rutherford. I like Rutherford. Okay, so driving into Port Authority. So let's see. Using public transportation. Oh geez. Oh geez. What if we do Secaucus? Secaucus Junction. Yeah, really no difference. Yeah, I was hoping there'd be a train. There isn't. So from a public transportation perspective, Franklin does not make sense. Uh, the one thing it could do is one thing to consider is kind of like a hybrid approach. You find out where the uh, park and rides. So there's a lot of towns with park and rides where you can literally just drive to park and then you pay for the daily parking and the train ticket usually. That could be an option here. Yeah, but I guess it all depends on if you're uh, you actually need to be in Manhattan or Secaucus. Um, okay, cool. Interesting. I have somebody else I want to send this one to actually because they're looking for a event space. So from an event space perspective, they're looking for something cheap. Let's see. I mean, I'll send them to this guy. So I have a client friend who is planning on getting married, and we were talking about how expensive everything is, and the venues are so expensive. And some places they just kind of give you, kind of from a business perspective, they give you a lot of freedom, and so um, you're responsible for the food, for tents in some cases, um, and kind of they're kind of hands off. And we were discussing how you know if you could just find a property, if you could just find some land uh, not too far, where you can just kind of put up a tent essentially and let people do whatever they want. Um, that could be an interesting way to uh, go about finding a venue. Imagine buying a venue, right? Or building one out. It'd be really cool. So this one's not too far. I like that in place there's already a four family. So essentially anything you do um, with the acre, assuming you could do something, um, but it'll all drop to the bottom line. Maybe you can even split it up and then sell it. Um, you know what we can do here? Let's look at the stats. Franklin. Also, the fact that they dropped the price, that's cool. Really cool. Really, really cool. I guess what we can do here is search active attorney being sold and under contract. Let's see, 365. And we're talking Sussex. Town is still Franklin. And I only care about three or four families. And three, how many? Two results last year. But again, with NJMLS. So there's one that was sold. Cool, 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 cool. It's the one we just saw. So one was sold 20 days ago. Rare find, right? Except for the other one that we just found. Four family, six bedroom, four bath. Cool, cool. You see the condition? So I like that there's another four family at the very least. I'd be very concerned if it was the only one. Um, definitely rural. That's 8,000. And a much smaller plot, I'm guessing, 6,000 square feet versus who knows how big this lot is. Okay, old harmless. Aha. Okay. So there is an oil tank underground, and we have no idea the condition. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. I still like it. I really still like it. Um, yeah, you need to hold harmless. All utilities are off, so it's gonna require a good amount of renovating. Um, so let's say, right. So you buy it at 630. Uh, let's say you have to put in 25,000 per unit. Um, that's easy. So seven all in. Let's say at 730. At 730, even if you put 100K into renovating the property, and ideally, you can deal with the oil tank, and hopefully there's no contamination because that could be a monster. But if we're talking about 7,500 per month, and I think that was pretty conservative units. Even if you just split the other lot and sell it for 100K, then your cap rate's like 10%. Um, then you just, you sell the other lot for whatever amount of money and then use that to actually invest into the property. Um, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. And also, let's see the mortgage situation. See approximately, high level, right? Yeah, that's cool. So down payment is 125,000, right? Ooh, I like to see that the rate came down a little bit. 6.8. It's excellent. Let's keep going down, baby. 5,000. Yeah, so essentially, oh, this is at asking currently, right? Sans renovation, obviously. So renovation is separate and apart. The With 20% down, it basically breaks even. It's over a nine cap. You're getting over 9%, but after taxes and insurance, um, if you were to throw 20% into it. Now, I guess my recommendation would be obviously buy cash, then you're shielded from these rates, um, or put as much down as you can. 125 is still a lot of money, but if you double that, let's say you double it to 250, monthly payment would probably be around 2,500, and then you're cash flowing nicely. Yeah, then you're definitely in the green. Plus, you're building equity. Plus, after renovating it, you'll refinance. Hopefully, rates come lower, pull money out, and then keep rocking and rolling. And then, yeah, again, I really like this one because of the acre. I like that there's an acre of land, over an acre of land, that's just included. That's awesome. All right, cool. Yeah, I like this one. I like Rutherford. Franklin Rutherford. If it was closer, and you just have to find out the oil tank. You really. Uh, so one of our investors just sent me a message. He's thinking that if you can add a bedroom to each and go Section 8, um, it's a solid deal. Make sure he saw the. Did you see the? You see the second lot? Yeah. So if anybody's watching this is interested in this, yep. Cool. I think it'd be a good covered land play to get upzoned so that all the towns have affordability mandates and it's a large lot. Exactly. So if the oil tank scares a lot of other people, which it already has. We can see that in the fact that they listed it first at 680, and they quickly dropped it quickly after a month-ish to 630. Um, Common aggressive here. Run very, or actually, what I would say is run a very conservative analysis and ensure that you still get your 10%. Let's say you need a 10%, um, and then work backwards from there onto submitting an offer. Um, and then also super, super important, the oil tank. You have to make sure that's taken care of, and that's the big risk factor here, um, more than anything else. I'm not afraid of any of the taxes or anything like that. Cool. Yeah, this one. What I'll probably do is I'll write this one up for a full like analysis, and I'll send it to my folks. I have like about 800 investors who have over time just given me their emails, and they said they wanted to be kept on the loop for different investments. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll draft them a an email highlighting this deal. Cool. Okay. So to do. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here. We'll stream for about an hour and a half. Nice. So with Union City, it's actually a really great location. It's very close to Manhattan. Um, Problem is rent control for four family, and then three family, two family if a owner lives in one of the units, and I think also it goes for three families, but I'm not 100% sure. Um, oh, interesting. Clifton four family that's been on the market for 216 days. Jeez. Cool. Okay. So originally they listed it at 900K, and nobody was gonna buy it at 900. So they reduced it down to 870. See one. So I guess they tried to sell it in 2023 for 750, and they couldn't. But they bought it. So I guess the owner bought it for about 400, 2019. See, what I don't get is they tried to sell it in 2023, almost 2024, like late 2023, and they couldn't get 750 for it. So, but now in 2024, in the market that we're in, they listed it at 900. See, that doesn't make too much sense. Because I mean, if they couldn't sell it here, and they left it on the market for a while, and they never reduced it. So at this point, they're at 870. We can run the numbers on the current listing. Yeah, we have to run the numbers on the current listing. It doesn't make sense to go historical. Um, but it's just not going to be a good, yeah. Okay, 8,800, low taxes, which is nice. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, so it's like a side by side up and down. Good condition. Uh-oh. A little bit of water damage. The drop ceiling, so it shouldn't be that bad. I would eliminate drop ceilings if I could. Tiny bathroom. Look at how small that sink is. Mm. Small kitchen. Yeah, so I'm guessing that's like every unit is probably the same. No, there's a one bedroom. Interesting. So why is then it says two bedrooms? Hmm. Separate electric, separate gas. Value add investment, yeah. It was a value add investment for you in 2019 when when you purchased it. I don't know if you actually did anything. But okay, let's run the numbers. So we're at 870 now. The current gross rent, let's do zero there. Current gross rent is how much? We're 17, we're 14, we're 16, we're 14. All right, we've got 17 plus 16 plus 1475 plus 1425. 6,200. Not bad. Okay. Other income, let's just keep that empty for now. So taxes, I think we said 8,600, something like that. 8,750. Okay, for insurance, oops, let's zero out insurance. 100 per unit, so 400, say 400, and then equals this times 12. Oh, so, hey, what's up, baby? How you doing? Good, good, good. Just doing a video. I can come whenever. Do you want me to come now? Okay. So I can be home in like 30 minutes. Cool. I love you. We'll see you soon. Bye, baby. Wow. All right, I have to cut it short. Let's just finish this one. Yeah, let's say 400, 400. Six cap at asking. Yeah, 6% return. Um, I mean, just for S's and G's, if we move that from 870 to the 750 that they were asking for not 12 months ago, oh, more than 12 months ago, right? Obviously, yes, the market has changed since then, but okay, closer to a 7 cap. It's closer to a 7 cap with 750. Um, yeah, not really that big of a deal. Uh, I wouldn't be too interested in it. Clifton's a pretty good area though. If you're interested in investing in that area, this would be a pretty good option. With pretty good cash flow. Okay. So I have to sign off. It was nice streaming with you. Um, my plan is to do this pretty often. So get better and better over time. So now we're just gonna end the stream. Peace. If you're interested in chatting, shoot me a comment. Find me on LinkedIn. Find me on Instagram. It's usually